everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to share with you some tips and tricks on how to get rid of a cold fast and remedies that actually work. We all know how annoying and miserable it is to have a cold. You have a runny nose, a sore throat, a cough, a headache and a fever. You feel tired, weak and achy. You just want to curl up in bed and sleep until it goes away. But sometimes you don't have the luxury of time to rest and recover. You have work, school or other obligations that you can't miss. So what can you do to speed up the healing process and feel better sooner? Well, there are some things that you can do to help your body fight off the infection and relieve the symptoms. Here are some of the best remedies that actually work. Drink plenty of fluids. This is one of the most important things you can do when you have a cold. Fluids help to thin the mucus, flush out the toxins, and hydrate your body. You can drink water, juice, tea, soup or broth. Avoid alcohol, caffeine and sugary drinks as they can dehydrate you and worsen the symptoms. Take vitamin C. Vitamin C is a powerful antioxidant that boosts your immune system and helps your body fight off the virus. You can get vitamin C from fruits and vegetables such as oranges, grapefruits, lemons, kiwis, strawberries, bell peppers, broccoli and spinach. You can also take vitamin C supplements or lozenges, but don't exceed the recommended daily dose, as too much vitamin C can cause diarrhea and stomach upset. Use a humidifier or a vaporizer. Dry air can irritate your throat and nose and make your cough worse. A humidifier or a vaporizer can add moisture to the air and help you breathe easier. You can also add a few drops of essential oils such as eucalyptus, peppermint or lavender to the water to create a soothing and aromatic steam. Just make sure to clean the device regularly to prevent the growth of bacteria and mold. Gargle with salt water. Salt water can help to soothe your sore throat, reduce the inflammation, and kill the germs. All you need to do is dissolve a teaspoon of salt in a glass of warm water and gargle for a few seconds. Repeat this several times a day, especially before bed and after meals. Use a nasal spray or a neti pot. A nasal spray or a neti pot can help to clear your nasal passages and relieve the congestion. A nasal spray is a solution of salt and water that you spray into your nostrils. A neti pot is a small pot with a spout that you use to pour the solution into one nostril and let it drain out of the other. Both methods can help to flush out the mucus and the germs and make you feel more comfortable. Just make sure to use distilled or boiled water and clean the device after each use. Take over-the-counter medications. Sometimes you may need to take some over-the-counter medications to ease the pain and the fever. You can take acetaminophen, ibuprofen or aspirin to reduce the inflammation and the temperature. You can also take antihistamines, decongestants or cough suppressants to dry up the mucus and calm the cough. However, be careful not to take too many or too often, as they can have side effects and interactions. Always read the labels and follow the directions, and consult your doctor if you have any questions or concerns. Try some natural remedies. There are also some natural remedies that you can try to boost your immunity and soothe your symptoms. Some of the most popular ones are honey, ginger, garlic, turmeric, apple cider vinegar and lemon. You can add them to your tea, water or food, or take them as supplements. They have anti-inflammatory, antibacterial, antiviral and antioxidant properties that can help your body heal faster and prevent complications. These are some of the best ways to get rid of a cold fast and remedies that actually work. Of course, the best way to avoid a cold is to prevent it in the first place. You can do that by washing your hands frequently, avoiding touching your face, staying away from sick people, getting enough sleep, eating a balanced diet, and exercising regularly. These habits can help you stay healthy and strong and keep the cold away. I hope you found this video helpful and informative. If you did, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more videos like this. And don't forget to leave a comment below and let me know what are your favorite remedies for a cold. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.